top up your engine bay. This is Kia Venga 2012 model. I'm going to show you how to top up your engine bay and how to check your fluid inside engine bay. First, we need to open the bonnet. This is bonnet opener. You need to pull just once, and there is another latch here. Need to press towards driver side, then you can open the bonnet. And this is the bonnet stopper. You need to leave it here. Right, now you know how to open the bonnet. Right, next step, this is screen washer symbol, blue color, just tiny two things. Add only screen washer. If you want to add, you can open this lid and you can top up until neck level. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have any level for the screen washer. This is engine coolant expansion tank. You can see here, this is the low level, this is the full level. If you're going to top up, open this one. When it's hot, don't going to open this one. Have a look which color coolant it has. This car has a green color coolant. When you're going to top up green color coolant. When you mix up different chemicals, it's going to react each other chemical. It's not good for your coolant hose inside washers, like that things. You can see hand mark here, and there is a cross sign. It's mean warning here. When it's hot, when car engine hot, don't going to open this cap. You are going to burn yourself. If it cool down, if it engine not hot, you can open slowly. This one hot, I'm going to open slowly. Right, you can see green color coolant inside. Top up green color. If you want, you can top up here. If it the fully empty the system, you can top up from here. If it not, you can top up from the bottle. Either way, doesn't mind. This hole need to be fill up until to the top level, and this bottle need to fill up until F mark. Right, next step, I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil level and how to top up. When you're going to check engine oil level, make sure vehicle park in a level surface like this. Don't going to tilt up or down, then you are going to take a incorrect reading. After that, you can see it's say engine oil. This is the dipstick. We need to remove the dipstick and wipe. This dot, you can see F full maximum level. This dot low is a low level. In between, if you have a oil, you are fine. We'll see how is this car. Install the dipstick, remove the dipstick, and you can see it's right of the maximum level. It's fine. When you take a reading, don't going to hold dipstick upside down. If you hold upside down, you can see this level move into gradually down. Then if you hold in like that and you are going to check the level, you can see it's coming down, see. Then you are going to take a wrong reading. Because of that, hold the stick like this. Don't going to hold upside down. Right, if some reason if your vehicle level low, you can top up engine oil from here. Check with your supplier which grade of oil this vehicle holding, because this vehicle has a separate engine oil, special engine oil. Because of that, make sure top up correct engine oil. Don't going to mix up other grade of engine oil. It's not good. Have a look at the garage, how many oils can because different vehicles has a different varieties. When you're going to top up the engine oil, I'll give you another tip. One day I said to the one of my customer, your engine oil very low, need to top up your engine oil. What happened? She went to the part supplier, buy the 5 liters of can. I'll show you. She bought a 5 liter of can, opened the cap, and she put all 5 liters into the engine. Then after that, she start the car, drove maybe 1 mile or something, heavy smoke from the exhaust. She called me, Charlie, I top up my engine oil, vehicle has a heavy smoke. I asked, did you top up correct level? She said, I put it 5 liter. Don't going to add 5 liter to there. It's a common sense. If you want to top up little bit, leave it couple of minutes to until it's going to the bottom. Then after that, install the dipstick, remove and check the level. If you need to top up more, again do the same thing, little bit, leave it for the couple of minutes to settle down, remove the dipstick and have a look. If you add too much engine oil, you can't do anything. You have to go to the garage or you have to come to me and drain your oil. If you not, if you add bit by bit, you can go to the correct level. When you're going to top up the engine oil, make sure top up correct grade of the engine oil and make sure add bit by bit, then you are fine. You don't have any hassles. And the other thing, if your engine oil low, you have to contact your local garage and find out what's the cause for the oil getting low. Could be it's overdue service, or could be engine burning your engine oil, or could be something else, could be sometimes leaks around that area. Make sure check with your local garage, make sure all okay. Right, now you know how to top up screen washer, coolant, engine oil. Right, next step, I'm going to show you battery positive and negative terminals, because this winter period sometimes you need to do the jump start. Because of that, I'm going to show you how to find out negative and positive terminal. You can see this side minus sign here. Yeah, minus mean negative, and the color coding going to be black for the this wire, and this side positive. Positive sign I can't find it here, it's covered with the this terminal. When you find the negative side here, then the other side definitely positive. When you're going to jump start, positive to positive, negative to negative, don't going to mix up the wires. If you mix up positive and negative line, what happened? Have a look. This is the mix up the line, burn the battery, and ending with huge problem. Careful, don't going to mix up positive and negative. It's not good for your car and whatever other car you are going to use for the jump start. Not good for the both cars. Careful, you ending with massive problem. This car doesn't have a dipstick for the check gearbox oil, and this car doesn't have a power steering fluid, because this car has a electric power steering pump, then no fluid. And next step, I'm going to show you how we're going to check the brake fluid level. You can see in here, this component also have a minimum, maximum. If you need to top up, don't going to top up straight. Check your brake pads. It could be time to change your brake pads, or it could be leak somewhere. If it low, make sure your brake pads okay, no leakings around that area. If it yes, just top up brake fluid. When you're going to top up, it say in your lid. I'm going to remove this lid because we can't see the lid. Right, you can see here, this is the brake fluid symbol, and also they said only DOT 304. When you're going to top up only DOT 40, DOT 3 standard brake fluid. Don't going to use the other brake fluid if you need to top up. But I'm pretty sure if this one low, that means you need to do the brake pads, or you have a leak somewhere. Better to go to your local garage and find out your brake system. Okay, now you know how to check your all fluid levels, how to top up. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, please mention below. Also, if you done something upside down, mix up coolant, mix up brake fluid, or mix up screen washer, please comment below. I want to listen your comment. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of video like this. See you in the next video.